welcome to this beautiful video. Today is a special day. I have my baby in front of me. I do the first YouTube video with this beautiful camera that I bought. I want to introduce you also to a new family member in my accessories, and this is the Insta360 X4. Yeah, this beautiful baby just arrived today. Of course, I took it for a test to my work. Yeah, for the people, they don't know what I'm doing. I work as a removalist, so don't wonder later on in this video what I'm doing. I did a small test also with my accessories that I already bought, but also with the camera, so stay tuned because some accessories are really important for this baby. Yeah, I will introduce you to the accessories a little bit later on in this video. So yeah, why I choose this beautiful camera and not another one? So the first thing is we have these beautiful two cameras here, and this is the option to have like a 360 angle. This is really outstanding, guys, really. So I filmed already with this camera in 8K, and this is mind-blowing, guys. I know YouTube is not really supporting this. Maybe in the future also Instagram is not supporting 8K, but with this feature we can shoot really high quality videos. It's a nice option to shoot in 8K. Of course the battery will not last long, that's why I bought an extra one. So yeah, this is one of the options. I can dive with this beautiful camera to a max of 50 meters if I buy another accessory, the diving case from Insta360. Without the diving case from Insta360, you can dive with this baby 10 meters. Maybe later on I want to buy also this accessory. So another reason why I choose this camera is it is really handy and it fits in every pocket. I can use it when I'm running, I can shoot myself or I'm vlogging very easily compared to the other options that I had in my mind, like the DJI Mini 4 Pocket Pro or the Insta360 Ace Pro. We don't have on these other options the 360 option, and that's why I choose really this one. I choose this one for my personal feeling. Yeah, there's maybe another one that fits maybe to you. What this camera has for option is really awesome. So let's dive now into the films that I made on my job. It's really funny, guys. I never expect that. It's awesome. So let's continue the video. You can write in the comments what you think about this camera, if you have an Insta360 too, or you had in your mind you want to buy one. So let me know this in the comments. And also, of course, what you want to see with this camera. Maybe you want to see some stuff with this camera. Let's dive into my test videos that I made on my job. This is now 4K and 30 frames per second. I filmed before in 8K and 30 frames per second. I don't know how it looks like when I put later all the footage in my editing software and have the result in the end. Like, I don't know, but I think it looks way different. Today is not the best weather. It's a little bit dark and gray, but I think you will see a little bit the difference, I hope. We arrived at the customer's place. It's actually a big company, guys. So yeah, let's see. And you see, you don't see the stick. That's very nice, guys. Hello, we are the guys. We're doing today the removal for Emily, but we should ask for a name Namaka from the outside. Okay, okay, cool, thank you. Number 6, bro. Okay. We will find the customer at first, sorry. Okay. Brother. Bro. In Brazil, salve. Salve. Number 5.
No 6.
Yeah.
6 what?
Number 6. There's like different places, you know, number 4, number 5, number 6, huh?
I don't know.
You don't know? Oh, it's okay. Yeah. I talked to him. Hey brother, can you help us out? We are doing some removal for Namarca. For Emily, Namarca.
Can you go to the other warehouse? Go until
Because they said they said number 6, you know.
Oh, you're looking. The Namarca is the name company, not the person name.
I think the person is.
You entry from in the end and then turn right.
So
The other
she's in the warehouse 3.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, thanks bro.
That's correct.
Here, you know, fucking. Yeah, I want to start a little bit more showing what I'm doing. So I thought like it is nice to take you with me today for my like kind of day work, what I'm doing when I work as a removalist. Come on. Okay, wait a sec, we have to do a picture. Okay, perfect. So, this is our job here with one arm. You want to put this here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Comprende, my friend.
Comprende.
Comprende, my friend. Comprende, my friend. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Okay. One side and down. I put this one, okay?
Okay.
I do this, you can do this now. So that's it, alright? Okay. Then I wish you a beautiful week, yeah? Thank you. Yeah, I do a little bit showing what I'm doing, you know? Yeah, for the memory. Yeah, so let's dive into the accessories that I bought for this beautiful baby. So we have here the protection glasses on both sides. Of course also the battery. At the moment I'm charging here the battery in the battery case that I bought extra. I want to show you here in this case, it's the protection case for the Insta360 X4. We have here also a kind of case that is good for action movements when you are out running, because if you have the Insta360 in your hand and you see the material is very slippy in a way, it's good to grab of course, but if it's getting a little bit wet, so you have here a better option to grab the Insta360 and it is better in your hand. So yeah, this kind of cheap protection case is coming with the Insta360, and we have here also a cleaning towel, also a charging cable. Yeah, I was wondering where the cable is, and then I opened the whole protection case and then I found all the extra accessories that are coming with the Insta360 X4. We have here the rest with the accessories that I bought by myself, so it's not a part of the purchase from this beautiful camera. So we have here the cable, because I have my DJI mic. I was thinking I want to vlog with this beautiful camera. When I purchased this one here, I was like, oh, wait a sec, I saw in the pictures this kind of things here, and I was like, is this maybe for the option to put your microphone here? And I was like, okay, let's order this thing, because this is the proper protection case for the Insta360. I purchased this beautiful thing here on Amazon for I think 50 bucks or 60. I was asking myself, man, if this is really like for the microphone, I want to buy it. And of course I figured out it is for the microphone, guys. I was looking for the accessory that fits in the internal microphone, and you have to buy an extra one, and this is the INSTA 360 internal microphone adapter, which you can mute here, and then you put the audio cable into the external microphone from DJI, and then with the internal microphone adapter from the INSTA 360. Now you are ready to vlog, my friends, and that's nice. I want to vlog more with this beautiful thing here. Yeah, it is so nice because I spend a lot of time to really figure out what is this here, what is this, and also short cable that looks okay, you know. It looks a little bit weird. I can adjust maybe the cable a little bit here up or something, and then it looks okay. This is my microphone accessory that is really important for me to vlog with my baby. So we have here the 3-meter long stick from INSTA 360. I bought it on the website, also with the charging case, and I bought an extra spare battery because I want to vlog or film along. Also the battery, yeah, with 8K lasts not like it lasts long, but if you film the whole time with 8K, then your battery will be very fast gone. So that's why I bought a spare battery.